I got some more fan mail today. Let's have a look here. It says do not fold on both sides. Let's just only opened it. Let's see here. A whole letter in here, I think. What's this? Oh. Handwritten even. Hello Ralph, I love watching you melt and make things. Hope you like the sticker. Bill and Cindy from Scrapping Together. Scrapping Together. A nice, very shiny sticker. Well, let's get this up on the shelves. I crammed my Lord of the Rings books under there because this was bending. There we go. See? Now, Snobby and Huey are gonna get some company from Scrapping Together. Let's see here. There you go. Sticky, let's just put that under here. There we go. So, Bill and Cindy from Scrapping Together, thank you very much for the sticker. I would suggest everyone to check out Scrapping Together if you're into scrapping. I follow a lot of scrapping channels. I think I'm subscribed to just about everyone on YouTube that has the word scrap or scrapping or picking or dumpster diving or anything like that in their channel name. So I'm seeing a lot of people going through trash and taking apart electronics and stuff like that. I will put a link in the description to Scrapping Together and at the end of this video. If you want to send me stickers, just leave a comment and I'll get in contact with you and swap out some information, and then you can have your sticker here on my ingot shelf. And by the time this ingot shelf gets even fuller than it already is, I will probably be making a new one, and I will be carefully transporting these stickers from here to the new shelves if needed. But for now, this will still do. I might actually just clear out a shelf on top there and make some more room. So yeah, check out Snobby Scrap Picker, Huey Lionsheart, and Scrapping Together. Links will all be in the description. The list of links will get longer the more stickers I get. Thank you for watching, thank you for sending me stickers, and see you on the next one.